So today I'm filming right now, kind of on hold since my guy that has all the abandoned properties is actually busy, and we're supposed to meet up Sunday, I think. But I brought y'all out to my favorite spot. It is called Big Haynes Creek Nature Preserve. And this is just a little place where everybody can come and get a little taste of nature. It's really nice out here. Got a little dock you can walk out on. It's the same with the other area. The other side's a little more, what would you say, isolated than this side. Saw a big old bird over there somewhere. There it is. It's like a crane. If I could just hold the camera steady. Yeah, but this is part of it. Pretty nice out here. It's not one of my usual videos, but it's something. This will be under my sightseeing playlist. I just thought it'd be pretty neat to film. If y'all want to pause the video, you can read about the place here. If you do come here, they're very strict on that. I'm gonna keep walking and see what I can see. Alright guys, so at this point I'm just kind of walking around seeing what I can see out here, seeing how far the trail goes. I've been out here before, but I've never been this far. So at this point I'm seeing things I've never seen before. Bringing y'all with me. You know, why not? I've always kind of wondered how far this trail went around. And, you know, I mean, we're just checking it out. Nope. Oh, I'm looking for him, but I'm not looking for him. I don't know if I've told y'all this in one of my previous videos. I hate snakes. Hate them. With a passion. Demon spawn creatures. The only reason I'm looking for them is because I don't want to encounter them. I want to make sure they're where they're supposed to be, so I can get the heck home. So, probably going to go over the mountain bike trails, which is like right around the corner after this. Let's go ride for a few minutes. So, if y'all haven't checked out my Flying Brian page, or Flying Brian YouTube, which I do have a Flying Brian page too, Facebook page. But if you haven't checked out Flying Brian YouTube, you need to do so if you're into stuff like that. I just got a new chest mount for my camera. That way you can like see the bars, you can see the trail. I used to film from my helmet. And now I film from the bars, so, well, I film from the bars. have a camera that points back at me. Go with a little cheap GoPro. That catch a few clips on. But I don't really mainly film from that. I mainly film from a camera that straps to my chest now. It used to go on my helmet. Now it straps to my chest, and what the heck is this place? It's a power plant? It's like a water treatment plant. Oh, I see. This turns into a river. I guess it dumps into the river. Probably dumps into the Yellow River. Because the Yellow River's on the other side over there, so it probably dumps in the Yellow River. I almost thought I found something abandoned for a minute, guys. I was about to be excited. I'm always on the constant look for new trails, cool places to see, abandoned buildings, haunted places, graveyards. Really anything of that sort. Like, always on the search. So I do have a couple more places I'd like to take y'all today. So what the heck is this? Oh, this must dump me out back at the parking lot where my van's parked. Okay, well, we're gonna go to a couple more places, check them out. Nothing too special, but it's just sightseeing. So yeah, guys, we're gonna get over there, and I'll see you over there. Alright, guys, sorry about the shaky hand. Got a million and one things in my hand right now. So I came over to a different parking lot, which this is probably the parking lot I'm going to ride at today. There is mountain bike trails out here, and I do frequent them. But this is a little something I'd like y'all to see. Little abandoned stuff out in the middle of the woods. It's really not abandoned. They do maintenance it, you know, but it's not something frequented. Pretty cool place though. Little bridges over a little creek area. I'm pretty sure the city built all this out here, like, not too terribly long ago. This could be from the 80s or early 90s. I think it's from 96, to be honest with y'all. Pretty neat. Take y'all up and over. Hear trees making noise. I don't like that. A lot of these trees out here fall. Last thing I need is a tree cracking me over the head. Whoever did build this, though, did a good job. I mean, it's a pretty well constructed little neat little area. I have filmed out here before, mountain bike rides. Filmed a couple places out here for the Adventuring with Brian channel. Just a cool little neat place. Right here it says Rockdale Bridges. If anybody would like to come check it out and they're from the Georgia area, it is in Conyers at the Georgia International Horse Park at a parking lot called Bald Rock Meadows. So that's pretty neat. Tree with a hole in it. Some old stuff out here, guys. Old stuff, new stuff. Just pretty neat. Looks like I'm gonna have to walk back around because I'm sure ain't walking through that. Old tin roof. I don't know how they put two bridges there, but it's cool to look at. So I just figured I'd bring y'all out here and let y'all check it out. I mean, why not? I know it's not my usual abandoned videos or my usual haunted videos, but you know, it's a cool sightseeing video. Let y'all check out some of the places I frequent and some of the places I find extremely peaceful. Sometimes I like to just come out here and hang out and clear my mind and get my head right, you know. Nothing like nature to do that for you. So, yep, just figured I'd show y'all. Gotta look horrible on camera today. Ignore that, guys. It's like been pissing me off for a while now. You ain't gotta tell me I look like crap. I know. It's all good. I ain't gotta impress nobody. I ain't got no woman. So, but yeah, it's a pretty neat neat little old structures out here. You can tell that tin's been up there a while. It's got some holes in it. Either some rust holes or where they took it down from somewhere else and put it up here and the holes didn't quite line up. They might have recycled this stuff from somewhere else, which, you know, there ain't nothing wrong with that. Recycling's a good thing. So, yeah, guys, I've got one more place to take y'all, and then this is going to be the end of this video. So, I never noticed the name tags on here. Supplied by Willis Brothers of Malmesbury, England. I think what this is supposed to replicate is a feeding trough. Either a feeding trough for horses or a place to tie horses up. I think this is supposed to like resemble some kind of old-timey, like, I don't know, village or something to where you cross the creek with horses. I know they have horse riding trails out here. It's equestrian, naturistic, mountain biking and hiking friendly area. Like the signs say, all are welcome. You just have to have like your current shots or whatever for your horse to be out here. I don't know. I'm not a horse guy, so I don't know what they require. Some kind of something. I forget the name of it. But I've read it on the sign enough to I should know. But yeah, guys, I'll take y'all to the last place down here. I will see y'all there. Alright, guys. Took me forever to get down here. Plus I stopped a couple spots on the way and took some pictures and stuff like that. But I'm actually finally out here. So this is one of my favorite spots out here. I've barely seen anybody out here ever. Really just a nice place. Y'all can see all the wetlands here. They've even got like a... Oh wow. It's a big old crane there. That's that one I saw from earlier. Looks like it might have flooded pretty serious out here. I don't know if this was underwater or what, but that usually ain't so nasty. Oh yeah, it's dripping water. Wherever that crane went. I don't see it anymore. But I found this place mountain biking. Ah, there it is. Come on, steady camera, Brian. Where'd it go? There it is. That's a big old bird. The more you zoom in, the harder it is to steady. But I found this place mountain biking. Just happened to stumble upon it one day. So I was riding a different set of trails and I found this and I was like, wow. You barely see anybody out here. Like literally this dock right here is floating. Which is pretty neat. Now where I was earlier was over there. Let's see if I can find the there's the dock I was next to earlier. So now I've made my way over here. It's really nice over here. Give y'all a panoramic view of the place. I like to come out here and sit and just kind of clear my mind. Now, I was wrong. There's one other place I want to take y'all. It's a pretty cool campground out here that's like isolated for like a family only. You have to get like permission from the county to actually camp out here. But I'd like to sometime. It's down by the Yellow River. It's really pretty. So we're gonna go check that out as well. And yeah. So just kind of wanted to bring y'all out here and, you know, show y'all everything. Apologize for the wind. It's quite windy out today. I didn't really even plan on filming this place, but you know, I was like, you know what? I called my abandoned house guy today, and he wasn't available. He said he wouldn't be available till probably Sunday. So there's a big house of his I really want to film, like bad. He said he has some other old places for me that I'd like to check out, but really I think my best viewer is going to be that that big old abandoned house he has. I mean, he has a huge abandoned home, so I really want to check it out. But I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. I'm going to take y'all to the campground, and then I'm gonna make my way around, because the way I came in was like swampland. My idiot self is wearing my suede shoes and not my boots. Brought my boots, they're in the van, but I'm not wearing them. So sometimes I don't know what's wrong with me. But I'm gonna let y'all check out the way out here. It's really pretty. I love nature. So that's pretty much it, guys. This is Big Haynes Creek Nature Preserve. The swamplands or wetlands, they wrap all the way around. There's a trail, so that way you can pretty much see everything. All different types of wildlife out here, and all different kind of things to see. So like I said, if you're in the area, come on out here. They're good mountain bike trails, good walking trails, good places to see, good places to come out and clear your mind at. Especially this place I just showed you. You rarely see anybody down here, unless they're just older people out enjoying the day, out for a walk, out walking their dog, or something like that. So I actually found out about Costley Mill Park, one of my first videos on this channel, from a lady I met at that same exact area I just showed you. She was out there walking her dog. I was on my mountain bike, and she got talking to her and everything, and told her how much I love this area, how it's just so peaceful. She said, well, if you like that, go to Costley Mill Park, which is like right down the road on Costley Mill Road. She was like, you'll like that place. So, and I did. It was very beautiful. I just wish that in my video I could have got under the waterfall, because that's probably the best part about that place, is being able to walk behind the waterfall. It was blocked off though. But y'all can go watch that video. It's on my YouTube, this channel, so y'all can go watch it if you want to. I'm about to walk to the campground, and I will see you there. Alright guys, I promise this is the last place I'm bringing y'all. At this point, I do not know how long this video will be. I have filmed it in many segments, so it could be up to 30 minutes long, it could be shorter, could be longer, I don't know. I don't want to cut anything out, so kind of want y'all to see everything. So I'm at the campground. Here we got little like, camp spots, which I don't know why they're rock. That's kind of stupid. Who wants to sleep on a rock? Got your little grill area. You can tell not many people come out here. Here's part of the river, which dumps into the wetlands and then dumps back into the river. So, I mean, it's all connected. Nice little area. I really want to come down here and spend the night. Come down here with some friends. Maybe even see if these woods are haunted. Which I kind of have a feeling, because one of the abandoned graveyards I've been to is on this property. It's just way on the other side. So here is a little cool little place to have a campfire. Kind of sit around on the rock and have a campfire. It's got a little entrance. It's pretty neat. More like camping areas, which I tell you what, if I come in here to camp, I'm not camping in these camping areas. I don't sleep on rock. Whoever did that was not thinking that through. Looks like somebody's been down here sort of recently. You got some charcoal. It's not completely disintegrated yet. Another camp plot. Two more. 1, 2. Got another grill. Got 3 grills. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 camping spots. And a cool area to have a campfire. So I really want to come out here and camp sometime. I bet I probably could. I kind of like to bring my van when I go camping, because my van's set up for camping. But I'd probably just have to park my van at the parking lot and lug all my camping gear down here, which would suck. But, you know, I guess it'd be worth it. Just come down here and stay a night. So, it's not far from the house. Nice area. I come down here and make a video. Nighttime video. I think I'm gonna talk to my friends. See if I know the only two that'd probably be interested is Daniel and CJ. So what I might do is I might see if Daniel and CJ would like to come camping, and you know, we can lug all the equipment down here by 3s, seeing that I wouldn't be alone, which I wouldn't come down here alone anyway. That'd be a big no-no for me. I'm not scared when I'm in a group. I'm probably the least scared in the group. Like when I have a group of people around, I'm pretty bold. Everybody's like, we need to go, and I'll be like, no, I'll stay. I ain't done seeing things yet, especially if there's like hauntings or something. Like every time I go out somewhere with Daniel and we get to a haunted place, or CJ, which I haven't really been to a haunted place with CJ yet. Actually, it's Daniel or Adam. They're like, we need to go. And I'm like, no, I ain't done yet. You can go if you want to. Like, Return to Haunted Dirt Road. There's a demon in my van. That movie, or that video, Daniel was like, oh man, I'm ready to go, blah, blah, blah. And I'm like, dude, let's get in the van. Wait on me. This ain't done yet. Came out here for a reason. I'm not gonna run. But if I'm by myself, screw that, I'm gone. I'm a big chicken when it comes to myself, which I guess I wouldn't say a big chicken, but I get a little uneasy. So, But yeah, I'll see if I can get them to come camp with me down here. And see what we can get into. So right now I'm hiking back to the van. I'm going uphill. I'm already pretty tired. I've walked all the way around this place. There's two spots. I came from that way. That way takes you back down to the wetlands. This way up here takes you to where my van's parked. Takes you to part of the mountain bike trail, which the mountain bike trail is in there. So there's an opening up here for it, and the watermill building is over that way. The abandoned graveyard is up this way. There's a lot of things on this property, and it is open to the public. I just say, if you're going to come out here, do not vandalize anything, because if you do, you're a piece of trash. Only trash vandalizes. Respectful people leave it the way they came, saw it. They leave it the same way. So who knows, they might clean up or something. I've been known to pick up trash before, because I don't like seeing places trashed, especially nice places I frequent. But I've yet to finish my hike. Not even knocked a dent in it yet. So I'm gonna try to get back to the van. I'm probably not riding these trails today. I'm probably gonna go ride the other ones, and I'm probably not gonna film it. Probably just gonna ride for the heck of it. I don't ride just to film. I ride because it's fun. It's just a plus that I film it and make YouTube videos for the Flying Brian channel. So, but we'll see y'all guys next time. Like, comment, subscribe. Be sure to like. Shows me that you appreciate my videos. Quit being lazy. Push the like button. It don't take but a millisecond to hit a like button. I don't understand why some of y'all don't do that, but I would really appreciate it if you did. It would really help me out. And as many viewers as I get on my videos, I don't understand why I only get like 3 or 4 likes out of like 200 views. I don't understand that. I come out here and I bust my butt and make a video, and I only get 2 or 3 likes. I mean, the views, yeah, I appreciate the views, but dadgummit, I appreciate the likes too. So be sure to hit that like button, hit the bell, that way you're notified when I put out a new video. Keep up with the channel. If you'd like to help with the channel, you can donate. PayPal link is below. Of course, you don't have to. Every little bit does count, but just your likes, comments, subscriptions, and your love that you throw my way is a big help, whether you know it or not, and it's much appreciated. Sorry for the wind. I'm out, guys. See y'all next time.